Helps optimize steering and braking performance. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form, and function. Certainty starts here. ACDelco maintenance and repair parts are tested to rigorous standards and backed by GM so you and your vehicle can go the distance. Top reviews from the United States. Fixed my neighbor's truck. Neighbor's 2012 Silverado 4x4 had codes for the steering sensor and Stabilitrac and Anti-Lock Brake warnings on the dash. Everything we could find pointed to this sensor, so we changed it. It is easy enough that an experienced DIer with the proper tools, like torx bits instead of Allen keys as one YouTuber used with problems, and if possible an extra set of hands could do in a couple of hours taking your time. It was recommended to use the OEM part because of problem with aftermarket parts. We had no problems with this part and seems to be working just fine. All codes and warns reset and have not come back.